Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have two books to recommend for you guys. One, Black Rain, and two, Doomsday. And both of these books are written by Graham Brown. Now, let's get on to our review. Are you someone who loves reading thriller books filled with adventure, ancient ruins, secret missions, and more importantly, you want the book to feel like Indiana Jones movie? Well, these two books are definitely right for you. Let's talk about the plot. The plot revolves around our two main characters, Daniel Laidlaw and Hawker. Daniel Laidlaw is a tough and smart heroine who definitely is not a damsel in distress. Rather, she's the kind of a girl who gets down to the business, gets the problem solved. And then you have Hawker. He's the kind of a guy you would definitely want as a friend because he is literally the hero of the story who solves all the problems and the mess made by other characters. And these characters are on their journey to the Amazon forest trying to find the lost civilization. Take a wild guess on which civilization am I talking about? Yup, you got it right. I'm talking about the Mayan civilization. Let's talk about the cons. I, for one, felt that it had so much of info dump. Like, literally, for certain chapters, I felt that so much of explanation on scientific concepts and mathematical terms is completely uncalled for. But hear me out, you guys. If you are someone who really loves fast-paced thrillers filled with adventures and also cinematic world development, well, these two books are perfect for you. Now, I'll tell you something that I really enjoyed in this particular book. I really love the fact that Daniel is a non-cliche character and she's not someone who's like a damsel in distress waiting for a hero or a prince in shining armor to come to her rescue. And also, there's this one other interesting element that I found in this book. When I say Mayan conspiracy or when I say that an ancient artifact has been hidden and it's ready to destroy the world, we probably assume that this artifact has been there for centuries from the past. The one thing that makes these two books stand out from the ordinary is that the artifact is from the future and it's there to save us. Now, I'm pretty sure that you're all curious to learn more about these books. Now, I'm going to give the link in the description box so that you can go and buy these books from Amazon. Alright guys, if you really like what I do in this channel and the book recommendations that I'm doing, please support me by giving a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Until next time, it's tada bye bye, see you from Akila.